Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to teach how to copy and share others' WhatsApp status without using any third-party application. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp and search which status do you want to copy. Play the same status for 2 to 3 seconds. Cool. Then close WhatsApp. Now it's time to open MX Player. Open MX Player. Then go to Settings. List. Scroll down and tap on Show Hidden Files and Folders section. Great. Now get back to MX Player home page. Please refresh. Click on it. Then search the status you want to copy. See the thumbnails? Now simply long tap on it and press the share button on the top right side corner. Good. Select WhatsApp. Tap on My Status. Now click OK. Add a caption if you want. And press the send button. Awesome. We are successfully copy and share this status. To verify, close the all applications. And again open WhatsApp and see your status. Yes, it's working fine. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification. See you in the next tutorial. Enjoy.